Today we will be assembling the Waveline counter. Step 1. Remove the counter from the molded soft bag. Step 2. Extend and lock the support poles. Step 3. Place the 3 poles with the holes facing up. Step 4. Slide fabric graphic wrap onto hardware. Align seam to center of back of counter. Step 5. Place countertop onto poles. Tap down with hand to secure. Step 6. Angle and tug gasket into channel in edge of countertop. Insert graphic gasket all the way around. Step 7. Turn counter back over. The zipper on the back is used to access inside the unit.